Non-invasive. Since 2008, biotech has made miraculous discoveries with a flood of new products and equipment. We have broadly classified our technologies in 4 groups and 36 new categories that, when combined, encompass thousands of new methods and protocols, producing miraculous results for anti-aging, weight loss, and skin resurfacing. The fat removal group consists of ultrasonic cavitation, cryolipolytic process, and laser lipolytic process. The skin resurfacing group consists of radiofrequency, RF, light-emitting diodes, LED, intense pulse lighting, IPL, mesotherapy, fractional CO2 lasers, ultraviolet radiation, UV, water therapy, oxygen, and ozone therapies. The supplementary treatments group consists of lymphatic drainage massage, colon cleansing, electronic muscle stimulation, EMS, acupressure, traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, energy healing massage, Qigong, cupping, vibration treatments, brain entrainment devices, neurolinguistic programming, NLP, hypnosis, emotional freedom technique, EFT, eye movement desensitizing and reprocessing, EMDR, holographic reprogramming, avatar-mediated human behavior, AMHB, and Psych-K transformation. The products group consists of vitamins, minerals and nutritional supplements, probiotics, peptides and antioxidants, enzymes, fresh cell therapy, lipolytic factors, endocrine system balancers, and muscle toning supplements. During the initial interview, the program director helps the clients make decisions regarding the best choice of treatments and therapies that will produce long-term changes. The original treatment plans become continuously updated with new technologies as each client progresses to a new stage of development. Some prominent gerontologists are using these cutting-edge anti-aging protocols on themselves, with a belief that within our generations we may be able to enjoy a healthy and youthful lifespan upwards of 125 years. The sooner you start, the longer you can prolong your healthy life. Call us now at 1-800-258-4205 and let's get tight at tightspa.com.